Hi friends, welcome back to FYI. So today we are going to talk about the things that you should do before coming to Canada or any abroad place you are going. So let's get started. And before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel, and if you like this video, please hit the like button. So let's get started. First thing that you should do is get all your necessary medical checkup done, like your eye checkup, your vitamin deficiency checkup, your blood group checkup, and if any dental problem, then please make sure to check up that too. Doing all this medical checkup will help you in making sure that you are getting all your needed medicines. Also, if you are someone who is having the spectacles or lens, then I would recommend you to get an extra pair for yourself. Now let's see our next step. So our next step is to check the airline information. So before boarding a plane, make sure to check the ticket information. Make sure to check the airline website that you are going for, how many baggage are they allowing, and how much size are they allowing for that baggage. The reason I'm recommending you to check the airline website is because some airlines gives you baggage allowance of 2 bags, or some give you 3 bags. So make sure that you know with how many bags they are allowing. So let's see our next step now. So our next step is document. One of the most important things, your document. Please make sure to have a multiple backups. You can give one Xerox set, or you can say a true copy of your document set to your family. Save it anywhere that you feel safe. You can even carry it in your pen drive or your hard drive. Also make sure to carry at least 3 sets of your true copy documents so that you are having at least backup if you lost something. Now let's see our next step. So our next step is to exchange money. Make sure to exchange the money beforehand to avoid any kind of hustle at the last minute. But you can also exchange your money at the airport if you want, but I would recommend you to do it beforehand. So let's see our next step now. So our next step is packing. Complete your packing a week before with the list in every bag of what that bag contains. I recommend you to complete it week before, because generally a week before relatives and family, friends, everyone used to come and meet you. So if your packing is done, it will be easier for you to spend some quality time with them. Now let's see our next step. So our next step is to get a Forex card. It is important to have a Forex card with you so that you can use it at the airport, and also it will be useful for you in your initial days. Now let's see the next step. So next step is to get universal adapters for yourself. Please make sure to have a universal adapter with you. You can find it on Amazon also, but please make sure to have this universal adapters in your handbag so that you can charge your laptop or mobile anywhere at the airport, and you can even use it after landing to that country. You can use it for your initial days. Now let's see our next step. So our next step is to get the numbers, get to know the people who are already living in that country. Try to write all the numbers in your diary who are already living over there, and try to connect to them before going there. Like, you can have a small talk with them, that when you are going to come or when you are going to reach, where you are going to live and all that stuff, so that a connection will be made. And if you're facing some problem in your initial days, you can ask the help from them. Also, if you don't have any family over there, you can ask your friends or family if they have any connection over there, and you can talk with those people and try to make a connection with them. And this step will be really useful, because when you're going to any foreign country, it's really important to have a small network for you, so that you can at least ask someone if you are in trouble, or if you have any problem, or if you don't understand anything. Now let's see our next step. So our next step is to get all the medicines and prescription. So once you are done with all your medical checkups and you get to know what you need for your medicines, make sure to buy all the medicines that are needed, and please make sure to have a prescription of it. Also try to get all your basic medicines like ointments, band-aid, flu or cold medicine, fever, allergy or stomachache medicine, headache medicines. Make sure to get all those basic medicines so that it would be easier for you in initial days, or even if you are having some trouble when you are traveling from one country to another. And also please put all the medicines in your checking luggage. Don't put it in your handbags. They might ask you to remove that thing. So please make sure to have it all in check-in bag. And yes, also try to put the written prescription from your doctor in the same place where you are putting all your medicines. So it would be easier for the officers if they are checking your bag. They will be able to see the prescription easily. Now let's see our next step. So the last thing is you're almost set up with everything. Just do some end moment work. Just need to make sure that you have everything right. So make sure to check all your documents once again. You can do it a night before if you want, but make sure to do that. Also put your tickets and your passport in your handbag or purse, and also please make sure to have a name tag or some kind of small cloth for ease of finding your bag at the airport. It would be easier for you and you will be able to find your bags really easily. Now you're all set to go. I really hope that you have a great journey ahead, and if you like this video and if that helps you, then please make sure to hit the like button and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.